Hey guys, we're here with Country Boy KT. Today we're going to be doing the review on the Portland 1750 PST. We're going to be basically seeing how it works and is it worth the money. We did purchase this at what is it, Harbor Freight, and we paid approximately about $70. We had a coupon on it, and then we used our 20%, so we're just basically reviewing this. This is going to be a review on this. Okay guys, sorry about the loudness. We do have the generator running and also the power wash running. So this is how the truck looks as of right now. We're basically, like I said, doing a review on how good is this. Is it worth the money? This is how it currently looks. So do keep in mind it is a little dusty. And we're going to see what this baby really does. Okay guys, so he's starting off by just spraying it down. And so far so good. It does have some power to it. So we're liking this so far. It does give an amount of pressure like if you were actually at a car wash. So we'll be back. We're going to spray it down first and we'll be back with the video. So far so good. It has gotten the dirt off, as you can see. All of the little dust stuff that were in there. So as you can see, it does pull out some good pressure. It does pull out some good pressure, I'm sorry. It gets in all of those pieces. It's hard to see because it's a little bit dark. It's getting dark. Okay guys, so as you can see, It's very clean in there. This is the after. So what I would rate this, it's well worth your money. It's worth the money that you spent on there. We did get this particular one from Harbor Freight. It was around roughly, it was like almost 150. And we paid 70 after the coupons and everything else. Don't forget to go on their website and get you some coupons. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more on anything as far as his cooking or his car, then please drop a comment down below. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. Bye.